Hey guys, it's Roy here from RRoco12 and EpicDroid.com, and I am here today with the Synshine Compressed Air 3.0. This is an extremely powerful electric air duster that I highly recommend. It's not one of those things that you often think about, but it's one of those tools that belongs in every geek's toolkit. The Compressed Air 3.0 features a 550 watt 3/4 horsepower motor. I don't have a way to measure it, but they say it can blow at speeds of up to 67.5 miles per hour. I don't know that it gets quite that fast, but it is extremely powerful and does the job very well. It comes with a 10-foot cord and it is super lightweight so that I can use it just about anywhere. Nobody likes the look of a dirty computer, but more importantly, when you get a lot of dust inside, it causes all sorts of issues for your computer. With the Synshine Compressed Air 3.0, I'm able to keep my systems clean and dust-free. And let's not even talk about keyboards. We know how nasty those get. Fortunately, this thing works just as well on those and will have you working on a clean surface in no time at all. Another use that I found for it is I use it to get dust off of my screen and off of my devices when I put on new screen protectors and phone cases. The duster comes with 3 different attachments that help you get the air into the right places, and it also comes with some brushes to help when you have those hard to reach places where the air just isn't cutting it. It comes with replacement dust filters as well as an instruction manual. Aside from the obvious benefits, the biggest benefit is both a financial and an environmental one. Before I got the Synshine Compressed Air 3.0, I was buying cans of compressed air at my local store and on Amazon. These did the job, but they were far from perfect. They cost $5 to $15 a can, and it quickly added up when I was constantly needing to buy new ones. The cans use a chemical propellant that is harmful for the environment and you. And then because it's using that chemical reaction to propel the air out of the cans would quickly become cold and begin to lose their pressure. So they were only good for quick and small jobs. And then once you're done with them, those cans ended up going in the trash can and found their way to landfills and other places. Since this duster's electric, you don't have to be buying those new cans all the time, so you're saving money as well as the environment. So in conclusion, the Synshine Compressed Air 3.0 is definitely worth buying, and I highly recommend it. It has saved me a ton of money, it's helping save the environment, it lasts for forever, and it keeps your gadgets clean and dust-free. I'll have links in the video description down below where you can order one for yourself. As always, I just want to take a quick second to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for your support, and you all have an awesome day.